There were no Jewish schools at all and my parents were among the founding families of the Peretz Shul, which was established in, 1927. The Talmud Torah was not established until the 30s in Calgary.
And what is, for people who might not know, what is a Peretz Shule? What is the...
Well, it was a secular, primarily secular, Yiddish-oriented school. We had a double curriculum. The Jewish students had a double curriculum there. There were only Jewish students there. Half a day was spent on Yiddish and a bit of Hebrew, not much. And the other half of the day was spent on the English school public curriculum. So we had a very busy day. That was for the first 4 years of our education. And so I started with I had no choice, of course. I had to go there, and my sister as well. And I started kindergarten and went through the first 4 years there at that double curriculum, which I just indicated. And then in 1943, when I was almost 10 years of age, a group of us, we had to go to the public schools after that, because that's as far as the Peretz Shul went, was kindergarten to grade 4 at that time.